It's happening! Remember when I said this?
This game is my bread and butter, my dream, and I will finish it. I will publish this game. There's nothing stopping me from doing that right now.
This is the last devlog of the development part of the game. Yes, guys, after so long I finally finished my game. Well, sort of. Let me go back to the beginning. So after I left off my last devlog, I knew I had to stop making more and I need to start fixing things because bugs. Now the game was playable in the Unity editor and it looked so gray, unplayable. It was in the state of testing of the features that I made. Connecting every component is actually one of the most difficult part of making games. You spend the same time making the first 80% of the game as well as the last 20%. So I knew I'm in it for a nightmare, especially since the first 80% of the game is the fun part. So let's see, a bug here, a bug there, bugs everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna go off myself. Oh, there's a nice bridge over there. Firstly, I need to transform this PC look into a mobile look. It is here. The first issue was saving. My car pics and the customizations wouldn't save because, they just wouldn't. The problem is that the scriptable objects on build were not saving, and that's where the files come to play. I had to make this script that's gonna allow me to store this scriptable object data into files. Bravo, Dan. And now if you go to this very mysterious place, there are my files containing, not those files, please, no, but they contain data in JSON format. Next is money. Well, the current system is absolute trash. It didn't work. Why? Because we're not playing in the editor. As I previously said, this is a phone people will play on. It reset every time I picked up new money. What's the fix, you might ask? Well, improve the player prefs method by adding a new money with the old money. And now we can buy cars, right? Well, all of the cars are unlocked, so it's a bug. We need to make these cars purchasable, and the idea is to have this button. Yes, it's a square. When you press it, it will show up and you will hear this sound. Wait, there are no sounds in the game? Well, I've got a solution for no sounds. I really don't. I don't know how to make any type of music or any type of songs. As a matter of fact, I'm an idiot. But not really. So I contacted my brother. I told him, hey yo, bish, we need music and sounds and all of that. And if you don't do as I say, I will throw you off this bridge. So we got some dope ass music. The menu one. Damn. The chase game mode. Jeez! And when you're in the garage, Jesus Christ, prepare for fucking tears. Okay, so we have the most of the things needed done, right? Wrong! Garage UI, improved colors, improved patterns, new menu screens, more new menu screens, more adjustable police based on your overall score that will impact the way the chase game mode is played entirely. Whoa. Explain. Well, in the previous devlog, I was quite proud of my police AI. It turns out that it's absolute garbage and I hate it. I need to have a police that will change its behavior depending on the amount of money you have. Sometimes, if you're really good, like me, the police will be a lot more aggressive, trying to take you down at any cost. This way, it's way more fun and way more unpredictable for the player. I also modified the speed of each car and the amount of fuel they have. They are now really difficult to play with. For example, your first original car is actually quite slow. With it, I usually get a score around 40 to 70, which is good actually, because the second car costs only $100, so you can afford it really easily. It gets tougher and tougher to survive, but it's rewarding when you do buy that new car because you feel the change both in speed and in the fuel meter. Also, for example, the Batmobile, I mean for legal reasons, Special Car 1 DC, please don't sue me, I'm a good boy. But Special Car 1 is really fast, but the drifting is really bad. It often gets you into situations that are not easy to escape from. Also, now the police can steal your money, fuel, and what the hell is even that? And yes, I added a new thing because I was bored of fixing bugs, so I knew I had to do something. This is the fire pickup. It gives you a speed boost for a couple of seconds and has these cool effects. It's really cool, but also quite rare. You have to play for longer to actually find it. Now this stupid ugly floor needs to go. So hello new texture and bye bye you ugly piece of shit. Now the game is fully done. It is ready to finally. Oh god, please, no. We need to make UI. The dreaded day has finally come. I hate it. I'm so bad at making things look pretty. I can do it with code, so please don't actually make me do this. Well, I'm going to spare you the footage of me actually doing this because it looks like this. This is now the menu screen, and this is the garage. My girlfriend made this awesome garage. It actually looks way better now than this old piece of crap. Car selection and the play select is completely the same. Now we need to talk about something important. I will be releasing this game only for mobile. For now. When I update the game to 2.0, it's going to be released on PC. Remember when I said this in the video?
In the next episode, we really do need to start working on racing maps because I've been saying that since like the second episode.
Well, my girlfriend was really busy, so there will be no maps for now. But here's a quick video of the maps we have. No, wait, no? Oh, so no maps. No map. Yeah, okay. Absolutely no maps are done. So I had to scrap the timed game mode. That means my rotating planet is also gone. Yes, I'm a very happy boy. But in this release, you will be able to play the chase game mode as well as delivery game modes, which is now reworked a lot, and I will show you that in the next video. There will be around 30 cars for now, and also will be available on both Android and iPhone. I went to a lot of struggles to be able to publish this on iOS, but okay, here is the moment you've all been waiting for and asking for. What is the name of the game? What's the game gonna be called? Dan, please tell us the game name. Well, the game name is Racer Mania. Yes, Racer Mania, and will be out on both Android and iPhone. As I said, make sure you download when it comes out. I will be releasing the trailer for it this week, as well as some additional content for you guys to see. And make sure you subscribe if you watch the video. Also comment, like, follow me on other social media and that jibber jabber, and I will see you in the next one.